Hello everybody and welcome to the first installment of our refresher videos for our guitar lessons. Now, we've been working on lots and lots of tunes this past term, the term before, and of course this fresh spring term. Now, the song I'm going to be playing for you today is a song called Twinkle Twinkle Little Star that some of you perhaps have come up to me and said, "Sir, why are we playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? It seems like one of the easiest songs I've ever had to play. And once we've started playing it, it hasn't been so simple." Now, that's not because you're not fantastic musicians. That's because the great thing about this song, although it is simple, it is very, very difficult when it comes to our finger technique. So, where do we begin? Well, the best thing to do is to flip the camera down and show you exactly what I mean. This is how the song sounds as we've learnt it. Great. The important thing about this song is to not be afraid of the number of notes. It's not about how well or how quickly you remember the notes. It's more so about concentrating note to note. What I'd like you to do is to use your first finger to help anchor or to guide you as to where to start. This song is played on 2 strings. Normally, we play our songs on the bottom E, which is the big fat E string. I want you to go to this next string up, and remember, in the guitar world, up is down and down is up. So when I say up, I mean to head further that way. Not up this way, but further this way. The string I want you to use is the A string. It's the second string up. Place your first finger on the 3rd fret. Now just simply count 1, 2, 3. And once you reach that 3rd fret, that 3rd gap in between these metal reeds here, the 3rd gap, place your finger on that note. Now that is a C. What I'd like you to do is to play that twice. That's twinkle. Once you've placed that finger there and played it twice, I want you to lift your first finger off and have a look at the 5th fret of your guitar. But not on the same string that we've just played, but a further string up, which is this one here. The 3rd string, which is the D string. I want you to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you reach the 5th fret, with your 3rd finger, this one here, I want you to play twice. Let's put that together. Twinkle, twinkle. Excellent. Once you've played that twice, I want you to head up on the same string and count up 2 frets. 1, 2. This is little. Little. So let's put that together from the top. Twinkle, twinkle, little. Brilliant. The next note isn't one that you haven't played before. It's not one that you haven't played before. It's literally going back up the guitar, or I should say down, really. Back down. 1, 2. From a little star. Let's put that together. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Excellent. Once you've done that, I would like you to head further 2 frets down, 1, 2, on the same string. How I, then 1 more, wonder, then let go completely and play the same string in an open form. What you, and then head back to the first note you played. Brilliant. Let's put that together and see what it sounds like. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. You're halfway there. Now, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. This part of the song uses the 5th fret of the 3rd string once again, and that note is really, really easy to play, and I know I have every confidence you'll be able to do it. Let's try it. Up, above the. Now you notice what I did there is head straight down the guitar again, 2 frets, from up above the, and head down 1 more, world so, and play it open, high. Now repeat the same thing again, like a diamond in the sky. Brilliant. The important part of this song is to remember it's a lot about repetition, meaning you do the same thing a lot, quite often. So the last part of the song is the beginning of the song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Brilliant. Let's put that together really, really slowly, right from the top. Remember, starting on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. The second half of the song starts just where you left off. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And there you go. The key thing about this song is practice and knowing where your frets are, knowing where your notes are, and knowing exactly when to play. Use this video as a guide. And if you have any questions, just ask Mrs. Slater to pop along a message to me, and I'll make sure that I'm ready for Thursday or Friday when you have your guitar lessons to answer them for you. Excellent. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you soon.